Hello everyone, good morning everyone. Just an audio and visual check. If my voice is audible and my screen is visible to everyone. Make sure to just type yes in the chat box if my voice and screen is clear enough. Just an audio and visual check. If my voice is audible and my screen is visible to everyone. सबको वॉइस और स्क्रीन क्लियर दिख रहा है और वॉइस क्लियर सुन रही है तो चैट बॉक्स में यस टाइप कर देना. ओके ग्रेट. तो मार्केट कहाँ पे खुल रहा है? फ्लैट ओपनिंग है. कल फ्राइडे के हिसाब से देयर इज नो मेजर चेंज. इट्स जस्ट अ calm relaxed flattish opening in the market. तो कहीं ना कहीं डायरेक्टली व्हाट मार्केट इज टेलिंग अस, मार्केट क्या बोल रही है डायरेक्टली बेस्ड ऑन द ओपन कि डायरेक्शनल ट्रेडर हो, थोड़ी देर के लिए चुपचाप बैठ जाओ. ओके, डोंट बी इन एन अर्जेंट. मार्केट इज क्लियरली टेलिंग अस बिकॉज कल के हिसाब से देयर इज नो मेजर चेंज. डिस्पाइट एसबीआई के रिजल्ट आ चुका है, उसके बाद भी बैंक निफ्टी ने कोई अग्रेसिव ऊपर और नीचे ओपनिंग नहीं किया है. समझ रहे हो? तो थोड़ी देर के लिए शांति रखने की इंफॉर्मेशन है डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द मार्केट इन टर्म्स ऑफ निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी. ओके, लेट्स सी वेदर एनी स्टॉक स्पेसिफिक कोई ट्रेड है तो चेक करते हैं बेस्ड ऑन द ट्रेंड जोन. फिलहाल के लिए देयर इज इन्फोसिस आईटी स्टॉक्स सुबह सुबह सडनली शूटिंग डाउन लाइक एनीथिंग. अग्रेसिव डाउन में दिखा रहा है आईटी स्टॉक्स. Okay, am I audible, sir? Just there is an issue in terms of the, yes, yes, there is an issue in terms of, if you are facing issue in connectivity. Now am I audible? Make sure to just type yes in the chat box if you are, if I am audible to everyone. Just make sure to give a confirmation, am I audible to everyone? Is my screen is also clear enough? I don't know what is happening. There is some technical issue which has been resolved now to traders. Yes, yes, fantastic. Now voice and screen is clear enough. Sure. Okay. Now I believe my chart is also very clear to everyone. Okay, fantastic. Let's see market prices. Bank Nifty or Nifty is inside कल की रेंज के अंदर ही है फिलहाल के लिए. There's no major change in terms of price. थोड़ी देर के लिए वेट करके देखेंगे कि what is the possible reaction. Okay, anyone, if anyone is facing issue of voice is not clear, the screen is loading, just try to rejoin now. Okay, anyone facing any type of issue like this, just try to rejoin now. Everything will be well and clear. Okay, so those who are very new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. As of now, market is very silent and calm enough, so aram se will be wait and focusing ki what are all we can plan. Okay, अर्जेंट करने से यहाँ से कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. That everyone know that कि if we are in urgent mode, then we can't do anything in this market where the opening flat है, कोई aggressive auction फिलहाल के लिए भी नहीं है. ओके, तो थोड़ी देर आराम से देखते हैं कि कैसा मार्केट रिएक्ट करता है. ओके, फाइन. एज ऑफ नो स्टॉक स्पेसिफिक देयर इज नो सच कोई ट्रेड अभी फिलहाल के लिए एज पर द ट्रेंड जोन नहीं है. बैंक निफ्टी कल की रेंज के अंदर है, सो वी हैव प्रीवियस डेज low here. Price is trying to trade around previous days low. Nifty is already trying to shoot back. Okay. Stock specific. As of now, there is no major any trade based on the trend zone. So we'll be waiting and let's see. Definitely no plan for short side trade to be honest. Because from morning there was no plan for taking any short side trade because price what is, where is the price, क्या ऑप्शन हो रही है, कुछ वो चीज को समझो यहाँ पे. व्हाट इज द प्राइस और किस तरह की ऑप्शन हो रही है. कल की रेंज के अंदर है, राइट. व्हाट यस्टरडेज रेंज एक्टिविटी, यस्टरडेज रेंज buyers and sellers were just fighting. There was no clear kind of price momentum, right. तो उसके हिसाब से हमको थोड़ी देर के लिए पेशेंस भी रखना पड़ेगा. Sound is low. Now the voice is clear. चंदन सर नाउ अभी वॉइस क्लियर है, नाउ द वॉइस इज लाउड एंड क्लियर। एक बार कंफर्मेशन दे देना चैट बॉक्स में, बाकी तो वेट करेंगे सर के लिए। those who are joining the live sessions for the past few trading session, unko they have a clear idea when the price is trading inside yesterday's range. With yesterday's range is a fight between buyers and sellers. What I'll be doing, I'll be just sitting relaxed because I am an aware that की डायरेक्शन तो कुछ मिलने वाला नहीं है, फालतू के जाके अंदर ट्रेड लेने से कोई काम नहीं। there's no use of taking any kind of random trading inside yesterday's range। वहां पे कल की रेंज में सिर्फ फाइट हुआ है बायर्स और सेलर्स के, पूरा दिन ओवरलैप कर चुका है फ्राइडे का सेशन। क्लियर? तो इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्टॉक्स, एक्सिस बैंक focus, I'll be having a focus on the Axis Bank। ओके, एक्सिस बैंक का ट्रेंड जोन यहाँ पे 733 70 732 75, तो आई विल बी हैविंग अ लुक ऑन द एक्सिस बैंक। उसके अलावा कोई और स्टॉक्स, आपको कोई क्वेश्चंस है, इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस ऑन एनी स्टॉक्स ना, जस्ट पोस्ट द स्टॉक नेम इन द चैट बॉक्स। चैट बॉक्स में वो स्टॉक नेम टाइप करके मुझे सेंड कर देना, तो वी विल आल्सो हैव अ लुक एट दोस स्टॉक आल्सो। because my style of tracking stocks when index is not moving, जब इंडेक्स मूव ही नहीं कर रहा है ज्यादा, कुछ कल की रेंज के अंदर ही अटका हुआ है, निफ्टी सेम सिनेरियो, वेयर इज प्राइस गोइंग, निफ्टी कल के मिड पॉइंट में जा रही है, कंफ्यूजन। when price is inside yesterday's range, personally what I do, when price is inside कल की रेंज के अंदर है, तो generally what I personally do is don't not reacting at the middle, या मिडिल में रिएक्ट नहीं करता हूँ, एक्सट्रीम, मुझे ये एक्सट्रीम प्राइस रिएक्शन, यहाँ पे एक्सट्रीम में कोई रिएक्शन मिल रही है, ट्रेड अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है, तभी मैं रिएक्ट करूंगा। ये जो मिडिल जोन है, कल की रेंज का ये मिडिल जोन है, इसमें मैं बिल्कुल भी ट्रेड की कोई सोचूंगा भी नहीं। आई विल बी नॉट इवन वेस्टिंग टाइम ऑफ इवन थिंकिंग टू प्लान एनी ट्रेड, aggressive trade in the initial morning, okay, when the price is going inside the midpoint of the range। why? Many times I have told the reason, जब price ट्रेंडिंग होना है तो इट हैज टू कम आउट ऑफ द रेंज, रेंज के अंदर खड़ा है तो ट्रेंडिंग होने में दिक्कत आएगी, बिकॉज द ऑपोजिट प्लेयर्स, देयर विल बी एन इशू फॉर द ट्रेडर्स to make a trending move when price is inside yesterday's range, because that opposite trader, because in inside zone both buyers and sellers are there in compared to Friday, right? So if price is trying to move up, sellers will come for a defend। clear? As of now Axis Bank is in my radar, देखते हैं we are whether we are getting any aggressive trades in terms of Axis Bank। ओके, बिल्कुल भी अर्जेंट नहीं करेंगे। one thing is very important, if you are focusing to take trade on the Axis Bank, just look at on slide bigger time frame, थोड़ा सा wider time frame में आप चेक करोगे तो क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे, this is the point from which price started falling down, यहाँ से ही price aggressive fall down हुआ है, तो price is attempting trying to approach it with for the very first time, okay, first time उसी same level को price is trying to approach। तो what I will be doing, and we have a trend zone here, right? This is the trend zone, so if price crossing and closing clearly above trend zone, generally what I do, above that candle I will be taking my bullish position, मैं इसके ऊपर bullish position कभी भी ले लेता हूँ, but इस time I'll be doing a second attempt trade, let the price go up, उसके बाद नीचे आके pull back and rejection, then I'll be going for a trade, because of those 2 days back the weekly Thursdays का aggressive sellers है। Okay, it's not about price moving up, going and buying green color candle, jumping and buying. Zone, check the zone, but most traders not even interested to कोई zone check करने के लिए इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है। For an example, यहाँ पे निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी is trading inside yesterday's range near the midpoint of yesterday's range, Yesterday, ask yourself who have dominated the market, either buyers or sellers. Who has dominated? No one has dominated. That is the reason why price goes into sideways. Price market sideways क्यों जाता है? नीचे से buyers और ऊपर से sellers आने की वजह से lower level buyers and higher level sellers की that makes the market to overlap and go into sideways. Exactly what happened on the Friday session. So when the price is again going to the same zone, my job is to, if I want to play directional trading, option buying कर रहा हूँ या future trading कर रहा हूँ, when there is the zone itself is not clear, जब zone ही clear नहीं है, कल की zone ही clear नहीं है, तो मैं क्यों जाके कूद के trade लूँ? Why should I be in a very urgent mode to jump and execute trades? Rather than making money because there is no confidence, rather than making money if the trade starts even overlap करना शुरू हो गया, if even price starts overlapping here in Nifty, if price rather than moving up or down, if price started overlapping here, what will happen? If I am doing option buying, premium erosion, and just one click up or one click down will hit my stop loss very easily. Loud and clear? Can you understand the concept? This is what live market. After market, anyone can speak. But what I want is to showcase you practically in the live market. Okay. So as of now, Axis Bank stock is in my radar. Uske alawa, there is no other stock which is so far in my watch list or radar. Anyone have any questions? You can ask your questions in the chat box. Banknifty is trying to slowly move up, but still मुझे वो इतना confidence नहीं दिख रहा है. Don't see any such aggressive confidence playing out. Because Bank Nifty, where the price is? Where is the price? Again and again, I'm speaking. Where is the price? Price कहाँ पे है? कल की ओवरलैपिंग के जोन में है. या तो इस जोन को पूरा क्लियर करने दो, प्रीवियस डे आई के ऊपर ट्रेड करने दो, उसके बाद ट्रेड लेंगे. ओके, या फिर at the higher levels, if the buyers are failing to move up, then there is a possible of reversal back to VWAP. वो वाला trade I will be focusing to trade. Okay, if price is overlapping here, then I will be relaxed. Nah, nothing much to be in a hurry because it is inside the range. Axis Bank trying to move up, that's very obvious, but still देखना पड़ेगा. There is higher level sellers zone is also there. Okay, one question is why we selected Axis Bank stocks, sir? Because of the trend zone. I believe you would have watched the video of trend zone. If not, you can watch it. This is because price is near the trend zone. That is the reason I have selected the stock. But on Thursdays, price is approaching the aggressive seller zone also. The main reason of selecting stocks is this. Axis Bank is because of the trend zone. If you have not watched the video, I will share you the link after the session completes it. आराम से वीडियो को देख सकते हो. ओके, कोई अर्जेंट नहीं है सर. जस्ट रिलैक्स. Okay, you should always have a trade plan. Trade plan is very important. How many have trade plan? Because today market open. कितने जन ने ट्रेड प्लान क्रिएट किया? Honestly batao. Just be honest and type yes or no if you have created a trade plan. Everyone just be honest and answer the question. Have you created a trade plan for today's आज की session की? किसी ने trade plan create किया? If you have done it, just type yes. If you have not done it, just type no. Be honest. Okay. More honest answer. I'll be also sharing with you how to develop a trade plan. Only if I get more honest answers. For only 2-3 traders are answering means it's not much useful. Na? Only 4-5 traders can answer. So look at this. So far the answers which I have got. My question was how many have created trade plan? कितने जन ने trade plan create किया आज की session, आज की trading session के लिए to take trades, right? So far whatever just everyone just open the live chat box and check. So far all the answer is no. Then how will you make money, sir? Trading is a business. You should have a trade plan before entering the market, or during the market you should create the live trade plan. All the answers are no. Then how you will make money? You are trading in the market without a plan. Sir, this is just kind of an blunder mistake, I can tell you. You don't have a trade plan and trading in the market. Don't think I'm just telling something wrong. This is practically speaking. You don't have a trade plan. My one more rule of trading is if I don't have a trade plan, I will not trade for that particular trading session. Okay. Combining index, combining Nifty, Bank Nifty and stock, minimum there should be 3 to 4 trade plans minimum. Without that, trading in the market is waste. Let me be honest. Myself is as telling we are waiting for your levels and guidance, sir. That's I understand, sir. Okay. Okay. Let's see. I will plan a session and I will tell you how to develop trade plans. Basic way, because the session will be free, so I can't go in a detailed advanced way, but in a way which can help you, I will plan a session on how to create a trade plan. Okay. Bank Nifty relaxed as inside yesterday's range, full on time pass. Nifty already, just look at this, Nifty already started doing the same behavior of overlapping. Candles are overlapping. What happened yesterday? Candles are overlapping. Same prices at the same zone, same behavior. Clear enough? So what should we do now? Those who are joined the live session continuously for the past 2 weeks, joining the sessions, now tell me, as a directional trader, what should I do now? Should I jump and take trades looking at green color candle, or should I wait? I have already told the answer every day during the live session. If this kind of price behavior happen, just now you type your answer in the chat box. Should I jump and take trades in this kind of overlapping market, or should I wait? मैंने पहले से already बहुत सारे sessions में answer दे चुका हूँ this kind of market. In this kind of market already I have given many answers what should be done and what will be the price behavior, whether price will come back to VWAP or not. Higher the chance price will come back to VWAP. With this I'm getting answers called wait. Yes, you have to wait. Look at this continuous answers I'm getting. Wait, wait, no trade zone. Definitely, this is what, sir. This is my main aim of doing live session. Giving sharing trades, that is something different, but showcasing you when not to trade, because everyone have follow some trading strategy, everyone follow trend line, candlesticks pattern, chart pattern, this, that, etc., etc. But how many know when not to trade? How many are aware? Key to develop a trade plan before and during the live market session. You should have a trade plan in front of you. Trade plan either in your mind or in a notebook in front of you. नहीं तो problem है. Because so far you are trading in the market. Yes, yes, good morning, good morning. Yes, good morning, BN Mishra sir. So far you are trading in the market and facing losses because whatever you have been doing was completely wrong. The way you are trading was completely wrong. That is the reason you are losing money continuously in the market. जितनी दिन से आप ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हो, आप जब से लॉस फेस कर रहे हो, हैव यू एवर आस्क्ड, कभी आपने एक क्वेश्चन पूछा कि क्यों मुझे ही लॉस हो रहा है? बिकॉज द प्रोसेस इज रॉन्ग. नो वन हैव अ ट्रेड प्लान. ट्रेडिंग इज अ बिजनेस. टू डू अ बिजनेस यू शुड हैव अ प्लान. आपके पास एक प्लान लेना चाहिए बिजनेस करने के लिए. सेम वे टू ट्रेड इन द मार्केट यू शुड हैव अ ट्रेड प्लान. Yes, yesterday buyers and sellers were fighting, sir. Prices inside yesterday's range. Just 3-4 candles green green means I am not jumping. Remember, just 3-4 candles in Bank Nifty showing us, sir, bullish candle, sir, this candle, sir, that candle, sir, inside engulfing, sir, etc., etc., blah, 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 sir. Can we go jump and buy? I am not ready, sir. Where is the price going? Inside yesterday's range. What was happening in inside yesterday's range? पूरा fight between buyers और sellers. जब कल की रेंज में पूरा फाइट है, प्राइस वहीं पे ट्रेड कर रहा है, तो वापस सेलर्स आएंगे ना फाइट करने के लिए. और कैंडल कलर ऑलरेडी दिखा चुके हैं ग्रीन ग्रीन कलर करके. तो एक शॉट नीचे डाउन मूव, ऑल द रिटेलर्स स्टॉप लॉस कोटा विल आउट थ्रोन आउट ऑफ द मार्केट. जस्ट रिलैक्स. स्टॉक स्पेसिफिक फिलहाल के लिए देयर इज नो अग्रेसिव trade which is coming in even on this stock specific scenario. Any stock name which need to be discussed, if you have anything just आप chat box में एक बार post कर देना. I will address the stocks, check करेंगे कि क्या option behavior. Okay. So far it's just a time pass kind of a scenario in the market. कोई aggressive behavior नहीं है. Okay. Silas's question is Volta's view for short term. Just a minute. Okay. Just give me a minute. To be checking exactly what's happening here. Index seem clear as it is. It is very clear and straightforward. Key for a directional trader. Option buyers are directional trader. For an option buyer, this is just a no trade zone wala market. no trade zone wala market. आराम से ट्रेडिंग करते हैं सर, अर्जन नहीं करने. Trading should be done in peaceful way. जब there is one thing is very clear. Okay, the price is inside yesterday's range, so there is a chance of sideways overlapping, and even up move price will can reverse back to VWAP. So what is our job as an option buyer or a directional trader? We should not even bother even from here price aggressively moving up or aggressively moving down, because our zone is very clear. Either I will react at the extreme of the trading session, extreme of the previous day's range. I will check the price behavior and I will react. Extreme के zone में आसपास के my reaction रहेगा, मेरा trade में ज़्यादा focus करने में interest रहूँगा as of now. मुझे ये जो congested zone के अंदर जाके trading नहीं करना. I don't want to trade in that congested zone. Most traders what they do now, looking at candle color, start getting over pumped. That is making them to force trading. Candle color देखते हैं sir, green color and candle sir, we will jump and take call option sir. Problem, very much bigger problem. And one more thing traders have is, sir, if from your price moves up now, I will miss that move sir, so here itself I will buy call option sir, because I should not miss the move. Don't have this mindset. Missing a trade is not a problem, but at which location, कौन सी location में आप trade ले रहे हो, that is very very important. Okay. Okay, just a minute. Let me take one by one. Volta's view on short term. Silencer, to be honest, Namesh, I maximum trade on intraday, so I can't give any view in terms of short term kind of scenario. Kishore sir's question is how to make a trade plan. Sir, I will do a separate session on how to create a trade plan. Okay, Kapil says ICICI Banks looks bullish above the previous days. I check करते हैं what's happening on ICICI Bank. Sir, your question is ICICI Bank look good above previous days high. Sir, first of all, we are opening a 30-minute ka time frame. If price, your question is ICICI Bank looks good above previous day high, right? So now price has to, if it crossing the previous day's high, it should spend some time above it, ICICI Bank, and then moving up. That will be a good opportunity to plan a bullish trade. Okay, till then, no. Okay. Gupta sir's question, Samir sir's question is Siemens. Sorry. Yeah. So Siemens, Samir sir, we are late, sir. Already the move is done. Aggressive morning move is done. We are late in looking the stock. If we are late in looking the stock, means iske upar chasing this is not a good sign. Okay. SBI, sir, SBI result as came out, so very obvious. SBI is not reacting much, I think. I'll just remove the pen zone here. SBI, just look at this gap down opening on SBI. Okay, What's happening? Gap down opening on SBI. Clear? Here we have to be very cautious as the market is making a SBI ka stock, result stock made a gap down and it has made an open high, right? So unless until price is not crossing and trading above the morning high, there should be no plan to even think of taking any bullish trade, because always the event ka high and low is very important. The event high, for example SBI का रिजल्ट एक इवेंट है, उस इवेंट का हाई, उस पूरे ट्रेडिंग सेशन का हाई और लो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Okay, so this high is very important. This is the morning open high. So price unless until it is not crossing and trading above this high, there should be no plan or we should not even think, सोचना भी नहीं चाहिए कोई बुलिश ट्रेड के लिए एसबीआई जब तक प्राइस मॉर्निंग हाई को ब्रीच नहीं कर देता है अग्रेसिवली या फिर उसके ऊपर ट्रेड नहीं कर देता. क्लियर? पेटीएम राजत सर, पेटीएम वेस्ट सर. Tracking that stock itself is waste of time, which I believe tracking that stock itself is of no use. I also recommend don't waste your time in tracking those stocks and all. Okay. Ram calm market है so far there's no trade came in even based on the directional finder. अभी के लिए कोई ट्रेड नहीं आया है even in terms of the directional finder, which the trades will be updated on the notification will come on the telegram channel. Okay, so make sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon if you are new to this channel. Okay, so for an option buyer when price is more overlapping, there is no work for an option buyer there. वहां पे ऑप्शन बायर की कोई काम ही नहीं है. ओके, जब प्राइस जितना ज्यादा ओवरलैप कर रहा है उतनी टाइम ऑप्शन बायर्स को उस पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक और इंडेक्स में कोई काम नहीं. First, very important is most traders don't do is first stop losing big money in the market. Okay, before if you want everyone want to make money from market, but before that now first stop losing money, sir. Stop losing big money. Sir, SDFC Anand sir, we are already late in tracking the SDFC because this only stock is pushing the bank nifty aggressively up. Okay, so tracking this, we are already late in tracking this HDFC bank. So the main reason for the bank moving up is purely HDFC. Axis Bank also. Now what is Axis Bank? Price back to Visa. And one more thing, price has not clearly crossed the trend zone and closed above it. Next candle opens here, only the higher zone crash, not the full zone. Now price back to VWAP. Why? There is 2 days back aggressive sellers are there, which I have shown on a 30-minute time frame few minutes back. Nifty, just look at what's happening on Nifty. Full time pass. Almost all the candles are just overlapping. Now tell me, in this kind of market opening, From morning, what I am shouting and telling again and again, ki wait karo, trade mat karo, don't be aggressive on index. Now can you understand the sideways auction? Premium would have got eroded here. If you are doing option buying, the option premium would have got eroded. समझ रहे हो? You should be very clear first what you are doing, sir. आप जो कुछ भी कर रहे हो, आप उसमें क्लैरिटी रहना चाहिए. Okay. Any questions you can post. Let's see. थोड़ी देर के लिए वेट करके देखेंगे सर कोई ट्रेड मिल रहा है. Are we getting any? Definitely, I have no plan to take any short side trade on both Nifty and Banknifty. That is for sure. I can tell you with 100% conviction that I'm not even ready to from here immediate short side trade. I'm not ready. Okay. Okay, one question is where can we get trend zone indicator? Sir, you can get trend zone indicator in my live session only as of now. Okay, as of now, the access is only once you join the live session, you can get access to this trend zone. Market is very calm, very silent. Monday morning, market is very silent. Look at the candles formation, sir. More and more narrow candles, more and more overlapping candles. So this kind of candle, what will happen? Na? It will give one candle up or down to remove the stop loss. That's it. Because as HDFC is moving up, so let's see. No plan for any trades, sir. Inside yesterday's range, inside middle of the range, zone clear ही नहीं है. The first checklist which I need to be clear to take a trade. मेरा पहला checklist है zone clear होना चाहिए trade लेने से पहले. यहाँ पे zone ही clear नहीं है. Both Nifty और Bank Nifty. When the zone is not clear ना, आराम से बैठे रहने is very good enough without even pumping any trades. Any other questions? You can post it in the chat box. I'll try to address the queries. But as of now, just more comfortable to wait. So what are one question is what are all those levels in future? Simple pivot point levels. Is the simple pivot point का levels. Okay, those who are very new to this channel, just I believe you would have watched this playlist, this 10 video playlist. I will share the link. That's a must watch playlist if you are an intraday trader. You have still not watched it now. Whenever you are free, whenever you have a free time, you can have a look at and watch all the playlist, almost 10 hours of content. Link is in the description. Okay. Yes, yes, those are pivot points. One question is, sir, why Viva fails sometimes giving fake breakout? Sir, there is nothing 100% accurate, na. Everything there will be some fails, false breakout, failure, everything will be there. In trading, there is nothing 100%, na. So even VWAP can fail sometime. But the way we are using the VWAP, that will be very important. Okay. Way we are using the VWAP is very important. Because there is nothing 100% short in the trading world. Okay, one more question. Do you see open interest data or option change? No, sir. I don't see open interest. I don't see option change. What I believe is I just open the chart, read the chart. Where is the price? Where is the price reacting? कौन सा zone में price है? कौन से reference level के आसपास price trade कर रहा है? At what reference level around which price is trading? I'll just try to understand the difference, the action between buyers and sellers. If I'm clear, I'll be taking my trade. If not, I'll be waiting like today what I'm doing. That is what I do. The rest I just leave to the market. Whatever is happening, let it happen. We should not panic. Okay. Bank Nifty overlapping. Nifty slowly trying to move up. Any stock specific? M&M, flat, Maruti, back to VWAP. Bajaj Auto overlapping back to VWAP, Infosys back to VWAP, IT stocks slightly shooting up, trying to move up. This is the main reason Nifty is trying to pump up. Tech Mahindra slowly moving up, Kotak moving up, CIC. One question is, sir, will you go for call option if it breaks today's high? Sir, I will not jump if it is breaking morning high and take a bullish trade. Okay, I want the price above previous day's high, how the price is reacting, because if I jump just because previous day high is crossing, there is an option where this breakout can fail and price can fastly reverse back to VWAP पे घूम सकता है, right? तो यहाँ पे if price is breaking the previous day's high, I will check what is the price be here, price क्या कुछ कर सकता है, what is the price doing here, I'll be checking it. Okay, then I'll be reacting accordingly. Because if I'm just because previous day is I cross कर रहा है, if I jump and take my trades, there will be no difference between me and a common retail trader, because common retail trader mentality is previous day I breaking buy, previous day low breaking sell. Common mentality of retail trader. My mentality is completely opposite of what retailers do. That is where I can make consistent money from the market. Clear enough? When market itself is silent, what we need to do, we should be also silent. As I mentioned, मुझे zone important है, price कहाँ पे ट्रेड कर रहा है कल की रेंज के हिसाब से, और या फिर प्रीवियस वीक की रेंज के हिसाब से. ओके, बेस्ड ऑन दैट आई विल प्लान माय ट्रेड. Today, even the trend zone has not given any such aggressive trade. कोई aggressive trade नहीं आया है trend zone में भी. That is where I am waiting more a lot today. कोई क्वेश्चन है? एनीथिंग टू आस्क? आप जस्ट चैट बॉक्स में मैसेज कर देना. One question from Ketan sir is, yes, at 9:20 it broke previous day's low and what happened? Sir, are you asking a Nifty or Bank Nifty? Sorry, Bank Nifty only, right? Yes, this is what. So just because previous day, this is previous day's low. Okay. Sorry. Okay. This is previous day's low. Just because previous day's low with big bearish candle, what would have happened if I taken a short side trade or put option? Price reverse back would have easily trapped and triggered my stop loss. Na? Ketan sir, if price just because previous day low is breaking and price is closing below previous day's low, if I would have taken a put option trade, look at what is the effect of it. Stop loss. So retailers will do now just because previous day's low is breaking, buy put option, previous day high is breaking, buy call option. This is what will happen. When maximum retailers are doing the same thing, if we are doing now, stop loss. First, what we need to check, where is the price opened compared to the yesterday's close? It's a flat opening. So there is no aggression in the market. After the weekend with SBI result. One question is, Grasim kaisa hai buy for short term? Grasim, what's happening on intraday Grasim? Intraday flat, 30-minute overlapping. So very simple Grasim na. Unless until price is not crossing and closing above 1610 on 30-minute time frame, there is nothing bullish for short term. There's no bullishness for short term unless price is not closing clearly above 1610 on Grasim to plan a bullish trade on Grasim for short term. Price has to close above 1610 minimum clearly on 30-minute time. Struggle, sir. Just look at the candles. What's happening? Just look at the candles. Just look at the candles. What's happening on Bank Nifty or Nifty? Can you see any confident candle coming in? Already price is overlapping. Candles are overlapping. Now look at these candles. Top, bottom, both way wick, multiple wick formation with narrow range candles. Time pass, sir. Nothing is happening. Why do you want to get trapped here? Even if price moving up now from at current levels, I am not bothered to take any bullish trade. Why? Where will I place my stop loss? If I'm entering here, there will be no difference. Retailers will also jump and take call option. They will place stop loss here below the pivot point around VWAP. Just it will take one candle to throughout all the stop loss. Just look at the volumes. Volumes are dropping. Volumes drop हो रही है और प्राइस इनसाइड रेंज के अंदर ही है. ऑप्शन बायर हो, डायरेक्शनल ट्रेडिंग करते हो तो इनसाइड रेंज के अंदर ट्रेडिंग करने में ज्यादा कूदना नहीं है. Don't be overexcited to trade when the price is inside yesterday's range. When inside yesterday's range is buyers ne or sellers ne, no one has dominated. Both were fighting. Same scenario of overlapping happening today. Slowly moving up, no problem. But where will I place my stop loss? I don't have an answer for it because if I place stop loss below this candle or below this candle or below VWAP or below pivot point, there will be no difference between me and retail traders. All the retail traders will be placing stop loss here only, below this candle low, below VWAP, below pivot point. Just one candle, they will be thrown out all their stop losses. One question is, what do you think on China-Taiwan issue? Let them fight, sir. We have, for us, for me, chart has to tell, give information. War hai, ye hai, wo hai, that is something different. Okay. For me, chart has to give a confirmation. If the chart is not telling anything, my work is to check the chart. Where is the price? What is the zone? Who is stronger? Buyers are stronger. Sellers are stronger. Who is weaker? Find out that. Plan the trade as per the trading system. Take the plan as per the trade plan. Just relax. Have a good risk reward. That's it. As I mentioned, even price moving up here, I am not bothered because it is inside yesterday's range. I am repeating again. First of all, why traders lose money? They don't have patience. Point number two, sir, green candle, I will go and buy, sir. Waste, sir. Today you might make money, but you are not quitting trading today. You will be trading for next 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, or till you want, right? Okay, one question is, sir, will you think of shorting once price shows rejection from yesterday's high? Sir, that is what. Let's see, sir. Let the price, let it go to the previous day's high. Price is at previous day's high, right? So let's see. Urgent. There's nothing to urgent, sir. Don't just have a mentality of sir trade mentality. This is for everyone. I'm telling you. Well then, let's stay relaxed, na. Moving up, price jane do. Let it go. For me, the prices are going above previous days high. I want to look at exhaustion. I want to look at the prices overlapping. Who is trying to take control? If buyers are failing again and again to cross the previous days high, and then it's fine to plan a short side trade. Till then, we have to wait. Just I'll ask one question. From here, what is the clue telling you to plan a call option or plan a put option? Don't tell me, sir, green color candle, sir. That is what the clue. Go and buy call options. Waste, sir. What is the clue you are getting from the chart? I want two clue telling me that the price will move up or move down. So far I don't have even a single clue because it's inside yesterday's range. Okay. Whereas Nifty is already struggling to move up. Only few banking stocks are trying to shoot the price up, especially HDFC, Kotak Bank kind of a thing. उसके अलावा Nifty is struggling because most traders now don't have that level of patience to wait for a trade and then start blaming market sir मुझे लॉस हो रहा है ये हो रहा है वो हो रहा है. One more question, sir. You don't use any indicators, sir. I'm not much interested to use indicators because price is king. Price is king. Mohammed sir is telling, sir, can we say one clue as it is consistently above VWAP? Yes, one clue in terms of bullishness, fine enough. But now it's at reference level, previous days high. Let's see how it is reacting. Bank Nifty has still not crossed the previous days high. Also the Nifty. देखते हैं सर स्लोली स्लोली ऊपर जाने से हमको ट्रेड लेना कोई जरूरी नहीं है. One question is, sir, you are doing analysis on kite. I think why don't you use trading view? Sir, to show the chart, I'm using the kite kind of kite brokers. Zerodha brokers kite. Because Zerodha kite doesn't lag much. Chart looks neat. I'm also using trading view, right? Trading views here. Okay. Swati Rai ma'am is telling the way you explain is awesome. Thank you. One more question, sir. You do only option buying or something like selling or spread or hedging? Sir, I focus more mainly on option buying and future trading. Option selling, I do very less option selling. Only when I'm clear with this low premium environment, VIX is so low and the option premiums are low premium environment, I don't do option selling. If I see some good premium getting developed, then I focus, allot some portion of my capital for option selling. Okay. Again, the IPO market has started. There are many IPOs which will be start continuously coming in from this next week or from this week and from next week. There will be many IPOs again started coming in. What's happening? Any stock specific? Okay, Kapil sir is telling Axis Bank has broken the shooting up aggressive. Yes, sir. Axis Bank is shooting up like anything. Wow. It will make the bank nifty to stay at the higher zone of the trading session. It's the IT stocks are falling down. IT stocks are falling down. Just I'll be focusing on TCS. IT stocks are dragging down a bit. I'll have small focus on business. So now it's slowly moving up, so slow poison. TCS, we just check where is the price. TCS stock which is dragging down, right? I'll be adding TCS का 3350 का put option in my watch list. I'll be adding TCS का 3350 put option in my watch list. Clear? Repeat, I'll be adding 3350 put option of TCS in my watch list. Let's see whether I'm getting a trade as per the trend zone. Okay. TCS 3350 का put option is in my watch list. Once it is trading around 64.35, 3350 put option. Let's see whether I'm getting a trade on TCS 3350 का put option. 3350 का put option is looking bullish only above 65 50 paisa, 65 rupees 50 paisa. Okay, till then I'll be waiting. Okay, let's see what happens on the TCS. It's always focused to trade on slight in the money options. Okay, it's better to focus on trading slight in the money option. Okay, the chart is making. Wait, let's see whether we get the trade or not. Okay, so how do you filter stocks for intraday option trading based on the trend zones? I just check the stock which is near to the trend zone and I react accordingly. That's it. I could see, looking at this green candle environment, retailers will just pump and go and take call option trades. Just one candle down move, they will be thrown out of the market by their stop losses. Let's see whether we are getting trades on TCS. Okay. TCS 3350 का put option looks bullish for me above what level? 6550 only. Above 6550 only. Let's see. So far, waiting for the TCS trade price to execute. Other than that, it's more of a kind of not a market which is suitable for my style of trading, where I'm not ready to trade inside yesterday's range when the price yesterday was fully overlapped. Yes, once this live session gets completed, to continue stay connected to get the live market updates, make sure to join the Telegram channel. Okay. Link is available in the description and also in the live chat box. So far in the index, it's a kind of a boring market. So देखते हैं with the TCS whether gets if you're getting any trades on TCS. बाकी the market is a kind of a boring environment so far in perspective of a directional trade. Make sure if you find the session useful, make sure also click on the like button on this video. Anybody, any doubts here? Market is doing just time pass, sir. Not much interested to focus on planning any aggressive trades in this current market environment. Let's see what's is the possibility. TCS is also going into a flat time pass mode. What's happening on SBI? SBI का result. It's the SBI trading. SBI is fully sideways. If here from TCS from current levels, na, if candle clearly closing above Viva, then I'll be avoiding to even enter trades on that 33.50 ka put option. Okay, till then the orders will be on the system on the 33.50 ka put option. If price candle closing above the VWAP, then I'll remove the order. Dr. Reddy. This is just sudden shoot up, just a sudden shoot up. That's it. Yes, Dipali ma'am, this Dr. Reddy is just a sudden shoot up in the price. Okay, 30 minute. What is there in 30 minute? Yes, it can move further up. No short side. Bullish plan. If you want to take any bullish plan, very simple. A small pullback on a rejection can focus on a bullish plan, but only after a pullback. No point in chasing this big candle, because if you're chasing the big candle, automatically you are inviting yourself to place a bigger stop loss. That's not a good sign. Okay. Sir, what do you think of shorting Nifty? Sir, as of now, no plan to short Nifty. This is what I'm telling from morning. Price has not even crossed previous days high. Bank Nifty also not even crossed previous days high. Remember that. My focus as of now is only on this TCS trade index. I'm not much comfortable in terms of risk reward, and prices inside yesterday's range. Nothing is giving me a clear clue of direction. So no point in doing any over smart trading. Okay, so the all further updates on the live market for the rest of the day will be on the Telegram channel. because this market where the price is just trying to cross easily the yesterday's zone. That's not much favorable market in terms of risk reward. And TCS trades, all further updates will be shared on the Telegram channel. If price closing above this VWAP, I'll be avoiding, or till the time I'll be waiting for my downside trade to get executed, and all further updates will be shared on the Telegram channel. Okay, time is 11, almost 11 a.m. Anyone have any questions? No questions, just type yes in the chat box. So I'll be aware there is no questions to address. Okay, I can see there is no questions to address. Let's see for 5 more minutes. Is there any questions, or else we'll wind up the trading session? Okay, I can see there is no questions to address. So wind up the session, and all further updates will be on the Telegram channel. Okay, thank you so much. So I'll end this session right now. I'll meet you all tomorrow morning sharp by 9:20. Thank you. I'll end this session right now.